On YouTube TV, can you record? Yes, you can absolutely record on YouTube TV, and its DVR system is one of the strongest features of the entire service. Unlike cable boxes or other streamers, YouTube TV gives you unlimited cloud DVR, meaning you can record as many shows, movies, and sporting events as you want with zero storage limits. Here's the clean breakdown of how it works. To record something, simply search for a show, movie, or live event and tap Add to Library. The moment you do this, YouTube TV automatically records every upcoming episode, including reruns, new seasons, specials, and extended broadcasts. You never have to schedule recordings manually. Everything you record is stored in the cloud for up to 9 months, and you can access your recordings on any device: TV, phone, computer, or tablet. Your DVR isn't tied to a single device, and you never lose space because it's unlimited. One of the best features is commercial skipping. Most DVR recordings allow you to fast forward through ads, giving you a smoother, cleaner viewing experience than live TV or on-demand versions. Sports recordings are automatic too. YouTube TV even includes overtime, alternate endings, and full replays. Your recordings appear inside the Library tab, organized by Most Recent, Scheduled, and New in your library. In short, YouTube TV's DVR is powerful, automatic, and completely unlimited, making recording easier than any cable service.